Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain Service Request Management, which is another operational module of ITSM. So Service Request Management includes overview, process, benefits, and features. So let's start with overview. Service request. A service request may be defined as a formal request for a service from an employee, customer, or vendor. These requests are necessary for initiating a predefined and agreed upon service action as a normal part of service delivery. More simply put, service requests generally involve procuring or requesting access to something that is currently available to the employee. Then service catalog and request portal. The service catalog in ServiceNow ITSM is the primary interface for user to submit service requests. It offers a comprehensive list of available services and provides a straightforward self-service portal where user can easily find and request what they need. The catalog is customizable, allowing organization to tailor it to their specific services and user requirements. Then workflow automation and tracking. ServiceNow ITSM employs workflow automation to manage the life cycle of service request. Automated workflows handle tasks such as approval, assignments, and notifications, ensuring that requests are processed quickly and accurately. Real-time tracking and status updates are available to both users and IT staff, providing transparency and accountability throughout the request fulfillment process. Then fulfillment and reporting. Fulfillment of service requests in ServiceNow ITSM involves coordinated action by various IT teams. The platform provides tools to manage and monitor these activities, ensuring that requests are fulfilled according to the predefined service level agreements. Detailed reporting and analytics help organizations monitor performance, identify trends, and make data driven decisions to improve service delivery. Then the process of, you can say that service request management starts with request submission and end on the validation and closure. So request submission. The life cycle of service request in the ServiceNow ITSM begins with the submission of request. User access the request platform, ServiceNow platform, typically throughout the service catalog to browse and select from a list of predefined service offerings. Each service is clearly described with details about prerequisites, expected delivery times, and any required information. This initial step ensures that users can easily and accurately submit their requests, setting the stage for efficient processing. Then approval process. Once a service request is submitted, it may require approval depending on the organization's policies and the nature of the request. ServiceNow facilitates both automatic and manual approval processes. Automatic approval are processed based on predefined rules, while manual approvals are routed to appropriate approvers such as managers or department heads. The approval step is crucial for maintaining control over service provisioning and ensuring that only authorized requests are fulfilled. Notifications are sent to relevant parties to keep them informed of the request status. Then fulfillment. After approval, the fulfillment process begins. ServiceNow uses automated workflow to manage and assign specific tasks to the relevant IT personnel or teams. These workflow ensures that tasks are completed in the correct sequence and within the defined time frame. The fulfillment stage involves carrying out the necessary action to delivery the requested service, such as provisioning hardware, installing software, or configuring system access. The use of automation in the stage helps to streamline operations, reduce error, and speed up the delivery of services. Then validation and closure. Once the request service has been delivered, the requester is asked to validate that the service meets their requirements. The validation step ensures that the user's needs have been accurately addressed and provides an opportunity to resolve any outstanding issue before closing the request. If the user confirms that the service is satisfactory, the request is officially closed in the system. In cases where issues are identified, additional tasks may be created to rectify the situation. This step ensures that service quality is maintained and that users are satisfied with the outcome. Then benefits. Self-service empowerment. Service request management in ServiceNow ITSM empowers users through self-service capabilities that extend beyond traditional IT services. Beyond IT-related requests, user can access a wide range of services such as HR request, facilitates management, and procurement. This broad scope of self-service option enhance users' autonomy, reduces administrative overhead, and fosters a culture of efficiency across the organization. Then service catalog customization and personalization. ServiceNow ITSM allow organization to customize and personalize the service catalog to cater to the unique needs of different users groups or departments. Admin can tailor the catalog by adding, modifying, or removing services to align with specific business requirements. Furthermore, the platforms support dynamic and contextual service offerings where users see only the services relevant to their roles, location, or permissions. This level of customization ensures that users have access to services they need, enhancing user satisfaction and productivity. Then improved efficiency. ServiceNow Request Management provides a centralized platform for managing requests, enabling organizations to streamline and automate their request management process. This results in improved efficiency and faster request completion times, reducing the time and resources required to manage them. Then improved resource utilization. Request management provides the ability to manage and prioritize requests, assign tasks to specific individuals or teams, and track their status. This improved resource utilization help organization to allocate their resources more effectively and maximize the impact of their request management process. Then features. Features of service request management are chatbot, embedded portals, service catalog builder, native mobile app, and embedded experience. So chatbot embedded portals. It gives user around the clock answer via keyword search and natural language understanding, creating and updating your service catalog easily. 24 by 7 user assistance. ServiceNow integrate chatbots into its portals, providing users with the round the clock support. The chatbot utilize keyword search and natural language understanding to answer queries, guide users through service request submissions, and resolve common issue automatically. This continuous availability ensures users can get help whenever they need it, significantly reducing wait times and enhancing user satisfaction. Then chatbots assist in creating and updating the service catalog. By interacting with the chatbot, users can request new services or modifications to existing ones. The chatbot can then facilitate the necessary updates, ensuring the service catalog remains current and accurate without requiring extensive manual input from the IT staff. Then service catalog builder. Make products and services discoverable via self-service with a visual guided design experience. Simplifying service request management with mobile agent. Visual guided design experience. The ServiceNow Service Catalog Builder offers a visual guided design experience that simplifies the creation and management of service catalog items. This initiative interface allows admins to easily add, modify, and organize services, making them more discoverable for end user. The catalog builder ensures that product and services are easily accessible via self-service. User can quickly find and request the service they need, reducing the dependency on IT support for routine requests and enhancing overall efficiency. By integrating with the ServiceNow mobile agent, the service catalog becomes more accessible. IT agents can manage and fulfill service requests on the go, ensuring timely response and actions. The mobile agent allows for the real-time updates and collaboration, which streamlines the service request management process. The native mobile app. Manage requests and collaborate on the go, get real-time notification and take immediate action. Embedding request management into collaboration apps. ServiceNow's native mobile app enable user and IT staff to manage service requests and collaborate from anywhere. User can submit requests, track their progress, and receive real-time notifications directly on mobile devices. The app provides real-time notifications, ensuring users and agents are promptly informed of any updates or required actions. This feature helps maintain momentum in resolving service requests, leading to quick turnaround times. Then embedded experiences. Integrate with the collaboration tools your team already use to support work-friendly requests. Seamless integration with collaboration tools like ServiceNow embedded experience allow for the seamless integration with collaboration tools that teams already use. By embedding request management capabilities in the platform like Slack or Microsoft Teams, user can submit and manage requests through uh, request without leaving their primary workspace. This integration support a work-friendly environment by enabling user to handle service requests in a familiar context. It reduces the friction of having to switch between different systems, thereby increasing user adoption and efficiency. Embedded experience also facilitate better collaboration among team members. User can discuss, track, and resolve service requests within the same collaboration platform, ensuring that all relevant information is easily accessible and that team efforts are coordinated effectively. So that's all for this session. In my next video, I will explain Enterprise Service Management, which is also an operational module of ITSM. Thank you.